In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Mozilla Firefox to view and edit your PDF files. Whether you're a student needing to annotate notes or a professional managing documents, editing PDFs directly in your browser can save you time and streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by opening your PDF in Firefox. To do this, launch Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is up, you can open your PDF file using one of two simple methods: drag and drop, or the open with option. If you prefer the drag and drop method, locate your PDF file on your computer, and with a simple click and hold maneuver, drag it into the Firefox browser window. If you find the open with option more convenient, locate your PDF file and right-click on it. A context menu will appear. From there, hover over the open with choice, and then select Firefox from the list of applications. This will immediately open your PDF in the browser for viewing and editing. Now that your PDF is open in Firefox, you'll notice a handy toolbar sitting right at the top of your document. This toolbar is packed with features that allow you to edit and annotate your PDF efficiently. If you need to make annotations, click on the Edit Annotate option. This feature gives you access to tools such as Draw, Highlight, and Add Text. The Draw tool is perfect for freehand annotations, allowing you to scribble notes directly on the PDF. The Highlight tool, as the name suggests, lets you emphasize key sections of text by illuminating them with a color of your choice. If you want to insert additional text, the Add Text tool is your go-to. Simply click on it, then click on the part of the document where you want to add your commentary. Sometimes you might need to sign your PDF document. That's where the Sign feature comes into play. You'll notice the Add Text or Signature button in the toolbar. By clicking on it, you're given the option to add a signature. Select Add Signature, and then place your signature on the desired spot on your PDF, making document authorization or personalization straightforward. Lastly, if you find that your pages are not oriented the way you'd like, perhaps they're tilted or upside down, don't fret. The toolbar provides a Rotate feature, which includes Rotate Clockwise and Rotate Counterclockwise buttons. Use these buttons to adjust the page orientation until it matches your needs, ensuring that every detail looks just right. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can open, edit, annotate, sign, and even rotate your PDF files in Firefox, turning your browser into a versatile tool for document management. Give these tips a try and see how they can enhance your productivity.